called?
Yeah, yo, it's been going on since August 7th. August 7th's been going on.
The person above you?
Yeah, and it's because she's not getting no consequences, she keep doing it. Just dragging her furniture back and forth. I'm bouncing it back. And what the fuck is a 60?
Did you speak to her or no?
Nah, I don't talk to
you know
directly.
she's in a wheelchair, right?
It doesn't matter. That doesn't justify it, homie. That doesn't justify it.
So did you ask management to move the apartment?
Homie, who?
Yours.
Why would I have, so I gotta be punished for that?
No,
No, homie. She shouldn't be doing that. She's not, what is she doing in a wheelchair bouncing a basketball, homie?
she's disabled.
No, what are you in a wheelchair bouncing a basketball inside of an apartment?
You just said
And if she's disabled, how's she pulling furniture back and forth?
How you know it's furniture?
Homie, you just told me she's in a wheelchair. They know, homie, I know a wheelchair sound from pulling furniture back and forth. Wheelchair sound's not gonna leave a scraping sound.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And if y'all was to check her floor, you see would be,
You just
I'm
did, that
dragging.
just came from her.
Yeah, and if she in a wheelchair, what the fuck she doing? Dragging furniture and bouncing the basketball.
You have furniture in your house?
I don't drag no motherfucking furniture back and forth.
But you have furniture,
Homie,
right?
yeah, but I'm not in a wheelchair pulling shit back and forth.
Okay. So when you're in a wheelchair, you pull stuff to get up,
homie,
right?
if she's in a wheelchair, she ain't gonna be dragging it across her room.
Okay, guess what? Ask management to move your apartment,
No.
or ask management to move her.
No. I don't gotta do nothing. You have a good day, homie. I ain't expect you to do nothing right, homie. Yeah, homie, what are you, Latino, right?
Keep calling.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep doing it.